Hey, want to make real money in the Forex market without actually trading yourself? Well, now you can copy top traders and earn passively using PU Prime's copy trading platform. Just check the link below to get started, and if you act fast, I've got a free gift for you at the end of this video. Seriously, watch till the end so you don't miss it. PU Prime's copy trading is honestly a game changer. You can automatically copy the trades of professional successful traders, no charts, no setups, and really, no stress at all. Whether you're a total beginner or just super short on time, this system lets you pick a signal provider from a leaderboard, set your risk and investment amount, and that's it. Your account starts following their trades automatically. So, what makes PU Prime different? Well, first off, it's super beginner friendly. Just choose a trader, and the system handles the rest. There's also transparent performance. You get access to real win rates, returns, and risk levels before you start copying anyone. And with smart profit sharing, signal providers only earn when you win, thanks to the high watermark system. Oh, and you can manage everything right inside the PU Prime app. It's available on both Android and iOS. Alright, let me show you just a few strategies that are running right now on the platform. First up, Millionaire FX1 has over 11,681 copiers, a whopping 341.85% return in just 3 months, and a win rate of 95.16%. Next, Super Profit XA used. 6 is being copied by 622 people, with an absolutely massive 70,083% return, and a win rate of 78.38%. And then there's Gold Engine, which has a 5,663% return, and a risk level of 1. These are all real accounts with real stats, and honestly, you can copy any of them with just a few clicks. Here's the best part. When you sign up using my link below, PU Prime actually gives you up to 2 times on your first deposit. That means you get more buying power to start copying trades. And, for everyone who makes a deposit right now, I'm personally giving away my free profitable Forex EA as a bonus gift. Just send me proof of your deposit to this email, kontakt@askerfinance.com. So, if you want to grow passively, copy top traders, and even get a free robot to build your own trades, this is your chance. Just hit the link in the description now, set up your account, make your deposit, and let's start building your trading future together.